Today's cruise packing tip is a little bit different. It's about something we've read on the internet over and over again, and we think it's wrong. So we're going to tell you what it is so that you don't waste precious space and weight in your bags on your next cruise. It's embarkation day. Your cruise is finally here. You get to your stateroom for the first time and you go to unpack. There aren't many hangers in the closet, but it's okay, because you read on the internet, you prepared, and you brought some with you. But why? There's no need to take up extra space in your bag. There are plenty of hangers on the ship. Just pick up your phone, call your stateroom attendant, and they'll be glad to bring you some in no time. For more cruise tips, check out cruisehabit.com. From advice, news, and history, we've got you covered. We even have a section dedicated just to packing tips, and our shop has gear you can bring on your next cruise to save space, time, and money. Come join us. We'd love to talk ship with you.
No wire hangers ever!
All right.